Hello students, welcome to Sarasa classes, and here the question 33 is given. We have to find out the correct statements about sodium nitroprusside is R. So here sodium nitroprusside is basically also known as nitropress. So sodium nitroprusside is basically Na2FeCN5NO. Okay, this is our sodium nitroprusside. Now to find out whether this is a paramagnetic or a diamagnetic complex, first of all, we got to find out what is X. Okay, now Cn obviously having the negative charge as 1, so this is having -5 over here, and for the NO fact-based thing, this is +1. Alright, now since there is sodium is 2, so obviously outside the charge on the complex should be as 2 minus. That being the fact, if we calculate for X, we will find out X minus 5 plus 1 and minus 2, so X come out to be as +2. Okay, alright, this is the first thing. So here this NO is basically your nitrocilium. It is acting as nitrocilium ion, that is as NO plus, which means statement number 2, which says it contains a nitrosyl ligand, which is your NO plus, that is true. All right. Then it says it is a paramagnetic complex. Now for that, we got to, for iron, say Fe, which is obviously 26. That means it is Ar 3d6 4s2. So obviously Fe and the 2 oxidation state is going to be Ar 3d6. Now here Cn minus and NO plus both are strong field ligands. That means the complex here is a low spin complex. Okay, other way of saying it is that delta O is going to be very large than that of P. Now if we put this set of orbitals, that is for an octahedral field, we know it is going to be split into 2 levels. So for this, all the electrons will occupy the T2G level. That means out here N, which is number of unpaired spin, number of unpaired electrons, this is out here 0. So obviously the complex is going to be over here as diamagnetic complex. So that means statement number A is not going to be correct, it's going to be incorrect. Now it says nitroprusside ion is formed in the brown ring test for nitrate, which is again untrue. Why so? Let's understand. So for the test of nitrite, for the test of nitrite, which basically involves freshly prepared FeSO4 and NaNO2 in presence of sulfuric acid. Okay, so the complex that is formed out here is FeH2O whole 5 NO SO4 All right, over here, this is the complex that is formed, and out here the charge is obviously we will say +2. All right, so this is the complex that is formed, and not, this is not the uh, obviously sodium nitroprusside that is formed. Now for the option that is, so obviously B is also incorrect. Now for this is for our B, uh, okay, that was for understanding the statement A, and this is for statement C over here. It is used for the detection of S2 minus, that is sulfide, in aqueous solution. Now this is true because it forms a purplish red colored compound. So when nitroprusside is reacted with Na2S, all right, it leads to the formation of this type of a red colored complex, okay, NOS, all right. This complex is purple in color, purple red in color, very unstable complex, okay. As soon as it is formed, it gets destroyed in the presence of air. So out here we will say the statements that are true are obviously C and D. Those are our correct answers over here. All right. Thanks for listening. Keep visiting Saraswati classes. Have a great day.